So before I finish this podcast, it has run for 1 hour and 34 minutes. The last thing that I have for you is something that we have to pay attention to, because it's something that a lot of people are not really paying attention to, because we are very used to having abundance of water in the United States. We are used to having all these rivers and streams, coming through our tabs. And you here in the United States, you can just open up a tab indefinitely and water will come out forever and ever. All you have to do is keep on paying the water bill, and virtually that water will never cease from coming out of the tap. All right, that is a luxury that other countries don't have. But the point is that we're starting to see the warning signs that there's going to be water scarcity as well. That's why I teach you here that if you're going to choose a bug out location or you're going to buy your first home, or you're going to move out of your house, you have to make sure that you have a river running through your house, you have a creek running through your house, you have some type of stream coming through your house that's going to replenish your water. And that stream, stream, creek, river, whatever body of water it is, it runs through your property 24/7, 365. Hopefully it's not, dependent on a lot of rainwater. But the point is that the more reliable the water source is, the more secure you're going to be. Because the moment you drink the last drop of water, whatever it is, water, juice, or alcohol, you're going to have to evacuate that area and migrate to another zone that you don't know, where your preps are not, in order for you to be able to get water. And especially if we have an EMP or, a cyber attack where gasoline stations don't work anymore, you're not going to be able to carry water from the nearest stream, which is a mile away, with your car. You're going to have to walk there and walk back. And I've done that when I used to live in Mexico. We used to have to walk very long distances to carry water back, and it sucked. All right, so take that from me.
The Man-Made Survival Show.